Hi, this is Sandra, and you're checking out a chunk of my series of posts of my Lake Titicaca cultural tour in Peru. Wondering what makes the nature, history, people, and culture of Lake Titicaca so unique and why you should visit? In Andean belief, Titicaca is the birthplace of the sun. Indigenous communities in Lake Titicaca Islands live with unique cultural richness. People practice the traditions of pre-Inca and Inca Empire until now. If I'm not mistaken, the Uros Islands, also called the Floating Islands, are what you probably picture when you imagine Peru's section of Lake Titicaca. Expect that to be featured here. And the second island that I'll be featuring is Taquili, a non-floating island. Taquili is especially known for its handicraft tradition. If you want to see a town, the boats, everything was made from the reeds that is located at the highest navigational lake in the world, which is approximately 4,000 meters above sea level. You're watching at the right video because it's a good description of the Uros Islands of Lake Titicaca. From their homes to their transportation to the ground beneath their feet, everything was made from tutura reeds.
Yang tuma.
Oy. Very light, yeah.
They have this in old
Yeah.
that is the old-fashioned house. It held they use as a kitchen or storage.
Vaya kids. Machacuta.
Modern
Casa Blanca del presidente.
the White House of the president.
Yacarachuncho Quisiña. Torre Mirador.
Tower, communicate, strategy.
Yacaraqui cocina siempre maquilipatalo.
For the kitchen, they use a big block of wood or flat stone. That's important because if they cook direct at the island, in 15 minutes, no more island. Yeah?
Yacaraqui gas natural, combustible.
The same wood, they fire.
Yacaraqui cha-cha. Warmi. Baca cha-cha warmi. Khani warmi. Presidente.
President is husband and the wife.
Primera dama.
They are couple.
Yacaraqui mawaina inamortasiskima tawaponte. Yacaraqui movilidad Volkswagen. Su tipo de taxi romántico. Baba na escuela sarap kay na nag.
Fotos. Acá dormimos con el diseño cama de fotógrafo. ¿Sí? Tenemos ese vestimenta.
Some families don't like work. Cut the island.
Oh.
Crazy, but it's possible.
Hasta la vista.
From Titicaca Lake, it is quite fast. It grows a little bit more. A bit longer, charky they make. They put salt and dry. And also they have trout. This is small size, but they also hunting some birds that they eat fresh, and also to keep longer they put the salt to dry. This is one of the favorite duck that they call chopa. They eat as a chicken. It has a very dark meat but that's a strong taste, but it's tasty, really nice and healthy.
It's well.
And that's egg from this bird. The big bird, small egg. And small bird, big egg. They always enjoy. So they're collecting also the eggs. So they eat. Here they try to represent it how they are cooking at the traditional kitchen with their babies. How children going to the school, how they are fishing, and of course the romantic taxi with a couple. Condor, puma, and snake always representing as the protectors. So that's the house. So that is the daily life. Los Uros in the lago. That's all handmade. So first, look at the lady. Enseñas cómo diseñar. She first designed, and after she has finished her work. All and if you ask about religion, they are going to tell you Catholic, but they don't really practice Catholic religion. It's official only. They combine religion. Here they represent the Andes god. That is the Hachacata, the main father in the Andes religion who makes everything for them. That's a tumi. It's a knife for rituals or ceremonies. That is the Inca boat with the Mama Cocha, the Mother Lake, and that's Pachamama, Mother Earth, and Puma, which is a protector.
Ancla. Anong klase ka Bolivia ra papitas pa problema kas pa presidente
If they don't use anchors to tell, maybe they wake up in Bolivia. Big problem with Evo Morales.
Sakal ka angklan.
8 anchors this island.
Okay.
Taking gondola boat, going to the next island. Ahora de español. Maya Paya Kimsa. Gracias amigos por visitarnos en nuestra isla de los Uros. Y gracias amigos por visitarnos en nuestra isla de los Uros. Nosotros les cantaremos.